Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatan wa salaman ala rasulillah Muhammad ibn Abdullah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man tabi'ah. Allah said in the Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Alladhina tatma'innu qulubuhum bi dhikrillah, ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Those who believe, who find rest in the remembrance of Allah. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do they find rest. Quran chapter Ar-Ra, verse 28. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, as reported by Abu Nu'aym radhiyallahu an, Ala wa innal fil jasadi mudghatun, فإذا صلحت صلح الجسد كله وإذا فسدت فسد الجسد كله ألا وهي القلب. Verily, there is a flesh in our body. If it is healthy, the whole body is healthy. If it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt. Verily, it is the heart. What the meaning of heart? There are several different opinion amongst our scholars about what the meaning of heart. Some of them say that heart is a flesh in our body. As the hadith said, it is the flesh, al-mudghah, it is the flesh. Several of them also said that heart is an abstract structure. It is unseen. It is control how we feel, and what to do and how to do depend on what we feel. Another term for it, it's called Latifa Rabbaniyah. And third opinion, although it's unpopular opinion, they said that heart is consciousness. It is quite unpopular because consciousness is come from the brain. It is up in the brain, while heart, Al-Qalb, it is placed in our chest. Those different opinions should not be conflict each other. It can be support each other. How? Heart means a hollow muscular organ that pump blood through a circulatory system by rhythmic contraction and dilatation. In vertebrates, as in human, there are up to 4 chambers. It is consists of 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Any of disruption, take a simple palpitation, it will disturb heart function. So this is the most likely of what hadith, part hadith, as I said before, إذا صلحت صلح الجسد كله وإذا فسدت فسد الجسد كله. If it is healthy, the whole body is healthy. If it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt. At least it is what dictionary say and what the anatomy book illustrate and what the physiology book describe of what the meaning of heart. But according to chapter 13 verse 28, heart also the place of remembrance. So anatomy book and physiology book never explained that heart, which is flesh body, as some of them describe it, have a memory like our brain. They never explain in anatomy book or physiology book. So all of this make us think, did the Quran describe it wrongly, or Hadith describe it not correspondent to the Hadith? The definition of heart is not correspondent to the Hadith? It is not like that. We need to do takwil, or we used to say choosing the most related explanation among of them. How to do takwil or choosing? Heart definition should be main as second definition. I told before, it is an abstract structure. It is unseen, and it is control what we feel and how to do and what we do. This definition is match all of the explanation or all the heart, the word heart in Hadith or Quran. So this definition of heart is match and support the heart definition in Hadith that said Allah will look on it, will judge on it, and every Muslim will be judged on the resurrection day, on the judgment day, only depend on how poor is it. This definition is the best corresponded definition to heart. Wallahu muwaffiq, wallahu musta'an, wallahu a'lam bisawab. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.